morning everyone. I am Ms. Neha Galani, working as a lecturer at Institute of Pharmacy and Research, Badnera. Today I will give you a demonstration on an apparatus called as Ampule Clarity Test Apparatus or Ampule Clarity Test Equipment. This is an equipment which is used to test the in-process quality parameter for the parenterals such as clarity. What is clarity? Clarity means a highly pure solution which is free of any particulate matter. A particulate matter is an extraneous undissolved impurity which may be present in your parenterals, which needs to be checked for to ensure that your parenteral preparation is of good quality and purity. So first let us become familiar with the construction of the Ampule Clarity Test Apparatus and what are its different parts. So first is this is the main switch which you have to switch on to supply the light source. It consists of a matte black panel which is held vertically. It is of an appropriate size which is held vertically to the and attached to the baseboard. Adjacent to it is a non-glare white panel. It is also held vertically, and there is a sufficient white light source which is on the upper side. This is the baseboard. There is a stand which has the knob from where you can adjust the height, as well as there is an adjustment where you can adjust the magnifying glass. This is the magnifying glass to magnifying the particulate matter which may be present in the parenteral preparations. Okay, this is a switch for turning on the light source. As you can see, I have switched on. So there's a light source which helps in visualizing the particulate matter which may be present in our parenteral preparations. So you have to first, now how we will check the clarity of our parenteral preparation. This is an ampule. First make sure that there is no label adhered to the ampule. If any, remove it and wash it and dry it, so that if any particulate matter is present, it can be visualized easily. So held it near the black background. The black background helps in visualization of the white particles, and whereas white background will helps in visualization of the reflective or the white the white background will help in the visualization of the dark particles. The ampules, and make sure that there are no bubbles present in the ampule, and then observe for any particulate matter. As you can see here, even though it is present near the magnifying glass, there are no particulate matters that can be seen in the ampules. For the demonstration purpose, I have added some white particles which can be visualized in the white background. So first you invert it and just let the air bubble blow and go, and now you can see some white particles that can be observed from this magnifying glass. Similarly, I have added some black particles to this ampule. Now you can see there are some black particles which can be observed against the white background. Is used to test any particulate matter which is present in your parenteral formulation. If the particle is white in color, it can be observed against the black background, and if it is dark in color or it is black, it can be observed against the white background. So to observe the visible particles, we can use the Ampule Clarity Test Apparatus. Basically, to observe the particulate matter, there are two types of tests, which is for the visible particles, that is which are in the range of 30 to 40 micrometer in size, and to observe the second test is to observe the sub-visible particles which cannot be observed by our naked eyes. So for that there are two tests available, which is light obscuration particle count method, and the second one is microscopic particle count method. The one we have used here, the Ampule Clarity Test equipment, it is used to observe the particulate matter which can be observed by the naked eye, that is the particles which are in the range of 30 to 40 micrometer. So USP has given a limit which is for the large volume infusion according to the particle size. So if your parenteral preparation contains the particles of the size 10 micrometer or larger in size per ml of the formulation, then the limit which is permissible, that is the number of particles which is permissible, is 50. It should not be more than 50 particles. And if the size is of 25 micrometer, then per ml of the particulate matter, then the limit of the count of the particle that is permissible is 5. So not more than 5 particles of the size 25 micrometer should be present in your formulation. So this is all about the ampoule clarity test apparatus. Thank you.